I have the OnePlus 13 and I'll be showing you how to hide or unhide your caller ID when making calls. So simply go to Settings. Under Settings, tap on Mobile Network and then scroll down to Call Settings, tap on that. And then under Call Settings, tap on Operator Related Settings. And then tap on Additional Settings. And then choose the SIM card you want to hide or unhide caller ID. And this is for people with a dual SIM setup. So for me, it's going to be this SIM card. I'm just going to select it. And then as you can see, we have my number here. It says use the operator's default setting to display my number in outgoing calls. So if you tap on that, by default, my network chooses to show my number. So if I want to hide my number or my caller ID, I'll just select that. And then if I go back to that option, I have this option called show number, which basically means it's going to override your network's default. So if I want to unhide, or maybe I want to show my number, if it's not showing, or my default is that it's not showing my number, I can just select show. Now for me, my network default is just fine and it shows my number. So I'm happy with the network default. So this is the default that's set by your network service provider. But this is how to hide and this is how to unhide, or how to force show your caller ID or number when making outgoing calls. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like. It really does help the channel out. Possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Good luck.